Lovely.
Okay.
So
I will have to.
admit, we are loving. Can we all go mute, please? Can you all go mute?
Yep.
Admitting all up.
बहुत slow हो जाएगा यार, रुकना थोड़ा सा। यार थोड़ा। सर, मेरी प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है।
कितनी शांति है भाई।
Rajiv,
Okay.
Rajiv.
No, we are admitting. We have reached 100.
To disconnect and read.
Ravi, can we start the video?
Oh, what's that noise? Huh?
Ravi, can you mute everyone?
Whosoever wants to speak will unmute himself first.
Okay.
All are in mute.
I'm so tired. Go away.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a warm welcome to Papa JC Talk Show and a very good afternoon to all of you. The doctors are on their way. They are here sitting, all of By the way, the doctors are all sitting here and they're in the gallery, so you can view them. But we have kept you on mute for a little while so that we can go into it. Dr. Saab, I'll take 2 minutes from you, all of you, and then hand over the forum to you all. For those who have joined for the first time, let me quickly take them through the concept of this platform. Our JC Talk Show was started with the idea of proper utilization of lockdown period. Here we invite eminent personalities every day to talk about a different topic. This is our 15th show back to back. And till date, we have had 6 senior doctors talking about their respective fields. This apart, we've had other interesting topics also. We just started the FB page of Papa JC Talk Show. So in case you want to watch the recordings of our doctors or anybody else, please join that page. You'll get to see all of them there. Before we move on to today's topic, let me update that you could use the same link of today's meeting. The link that you have entered today, you can use it to join every day at 12 noon. We have something or the other going at the same show every day. Like for tomorrow, we have a topic of nutrition by Ms. Hena Nafis. She's going to take us through what to eat and what not to eat. We also have a WhatsApp group for daily updates. So please SMS numbers, your SMS me directly at my number so that I can send you the link to join there. My number is 98300-29224. I repeat, 98300-29224. We'll in the meantime share the numbers to add. We got the announcement yesterday that our defense forces will conduct different activities to honor the COVID warriors across the country. I'm sure you all heard it. Heroes will salute the heroes. And today, let us try to do it our way too. So we have invited 5 special doctors to personally thank them and to get to know them better. We have also invited Mr. Jimmy Tangri to host the show. So because there are 5 huge celebrities, so I needed a celebrity to host them. So I requested Mr. Tangri to join the show. Now I will take a very small time to introduce. Can you hear me? I hope you can hear me.
Your voice is breaking.
The voice is breaking, Jitan. Voice is breaking.
Why is my voice breaking? I can hear myself very well.
Now it is better.
Okay. So I'm not repeating the whole thing then. Jitna sun liya, sun liya. Okay. So we have like this. We have 5 specialist doctors here. We invited them and we have invited Mr. Jimmy Tangri to host the show. Can you hear me? Okay. We've invited Mr. Tangri to host the show because there are 5 specialist doctors here, celebrities hosting celebrity. So now I'll take 2 minutes to, or maybe a few seconds to introduce Jimmy. Jimmy comes from a business family. His passion got him into DJing in the year 1983 and thereafter into radio since February 1994. With over 37 years as a DJ and with over 26 years as a radio personality, let's welcome the amazing radio man direct, Dil Se, Jimmy Tangri. Welcome, man. Hi, Jimmy. How are you?
Absolutely doing well. Looking forward. You know, I've never interacted with so many doctors at one go. So it's going to be a lot of heart to heart, close to close, whatever. Time will tell.
Okay. I've also invited Mrs. Deepshika Bihani to co-host with Jimmy. Jimmy, she's here to help you. She will help you with the messages because we will open the forum and there'll be a lot of messages to interact with the doctors. So her role will be to select the best message and allow him to directly ask the question. The questions will not be related to ailments, diseases, or medicine. They have to be simple, funny, and decent questions. No indecent ones, please. Okay. Then we have what we will do. I mean, what we should do here. From here, we take over as we would request Jimmy and Deepshika to take over from here. But before that, I don't know about the bandwidth because I think there are some issues with bandwidth. So before that, I would request the forum, the entire people here, to please switch on your videos with a simple salute or a clap, all of you together, and we will run it for just 10 seconds. This is just to acknowledge the presence of our doctors here and to express our gratitude to them. Can we do it? I mean, is it okay? Ravi, can we unmute everybody?
I'm doing that.
The gallery view. Let's see the gallery.
The doctors.
Just salute.
नहीं मैं खाना नहीं दूंगा सर पता था
Okay, now we go into this. I mean, let's go into the topic for today. Our topic, our objective of getting here together is simply to have fun. We want to have fun. And we want all of us to have fun. Incidentally, the doctors we have here at the forum, they are all so sporting and friendly that we actually do not need to do anything to make them bring it in. Can we have Kavita ji here? Kavita, are you there?
Yes, I'm very much here.
Please help me introduce all the doctors to the forum.
Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. It's a great opportunity to welcome our panel of 5 doctors. We are more than happy to have all of them with us here today. So I'll be introducing each one of them alphabetically. Dr. Anjan Seotia, a consultant in interventional cardiology at the B.M. Birla Heart Research Center, Kolkata. Dr. Rajiv Agarwal, a gynecologist and infertility specialist at the CARE IVF, Kolkata. Dr. Sarfaraz Beg, head of gastrosurgery at the Bellevue Hospitals, Kolkata. Dr. Shekhar Gupta, the currently head of the Department of Surgical Oncology at the Apollo Gleneagles Hospital, Kolkata. And Dr. Vinay Mahindra, a senior consultant urologist and renal transplant surgeon at the Apollo Gleneagles Hospital, Kolkata. Over to you, Papa JC.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I think I got a complaint from people. They could not hear what is the objective because there was a voice tracking. So I'll just take 5 more seconds to repeat. Can we have the mutes? Okay, fine. I'm saying, we heard the announcement yesterday that our defense forces will conduct different activities to honor the COVID warriors across the country. The heroes will salute the heroes. So our objective here is to salute our heroes. We have 5 heroes here. Now, before we continue, I have to apologize openly that we wanted to bring in many more doctors to this forum, but we could not accommodate all at one platform. So we want to do the same thing again next week with new set of doctors. So big apology to those who I could not bring in here today. I'm so sorry. So now please, let's take over. I will need the help of Jimmy to take over from here.
Okay, I hope all of you all guys can hear me clearly. There's no dilly-dally in sound. If you all can, just put a thumbs up. I think that'll be better than all of us talking. You guys can hear me great.
Jimmy, a little louder, please.
Yep.
No, Jimmy, you have to be a little louder, I think. JC, what do you say?
Now can you hear me?
Yeah, this is better. Yeah. This is better. Thank you.
Okay, better?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. First of all, it's amazing being out here. As I said, I've never been with so many doctors around. And once again, a salute to all the doctors because, you know, it's not whether it's COVID-19 or non-COVID-19. I think all of you all are doing an amazing job. And across the world, I've seen doctors performing, but with a lot of fun also coming in. I've seen videos of doctors dancing behind the scenes, singing behind the scenes, some of them playing the guitar, some of them having the naughty looks and flirtish styles. But you know what? I always strongly believe when we work, you know, all work and no play makes us very dull. So along with work, there has to be a lot of play. And today, we are going to look at the play side of all you wonderful folks out here. Of course, the doctors. Once again, a big salute to all of you all. And everybody's watching you all right now. So let's start off with Anjan Seotia. First of all, it's really a pleasure interacting with you. You know what? I want you to describe yourself in a single line. Or describe yourself. Let me make it a little easier for you. Short and sweet. I don't want medical jargons. I don't want intellectual words. Bindas. You know, I'm a bindas, crazy, mind-blowing guy. Yeah. I love women and food, etc., etc. Whatever. Please go ahead.
Right. Hi. I am Anjan, and I mend broken hearts.
Eric Dilse.
Fix.
Bindas.
This is amazing. You know, you're a doctor with just 2 words: mend broken hearts. You know, I do a show called Direct Dil Se. I mend broken hearts and I do a lot of other stuff. But you know what? A doctor with a heart. And tell me one thing is, I just want to ask you another question. How many hearts have you actually won?
Oh my God. I don't keep record of that, Jimmy. I'm sorry. I'll start doing that from now on. Next show, I'll give you the answer.
A great doc. Ek request hai. You keep a record of that and please also give me all the phone numbers. I would love to take them on air.
Yeah, done.
Done. Okay. You know, your smile reminds me of a song. I Love Your Smile, which I used to play about 20 years back. Unfortunately, today we can't play too much of music, otherwise I would have dedicated a song to you. But anyhow, keep that attitude, keep rocking, keep mending hearts. And now, of course, we have Dr. Rajiv Agarwal. Doctor, are you there? Can you hear me?
Absolutely, I can hear you, Jimmy.
Amazing. You know what? One thing I want to tell you, you've got a very sexy voice. You know, you could have actually got into RJ.
Are you taking me on your next Dil Se show?
We can do
it together. We shall mend hearts together.
Absolutely. I don't know hearts and what else, but
I'll be out of job then.
I want you to describe yourself in a single line. You've got this naughty smile on your face. I really don't know what it means, but just go ahead.
So, in one line, Jimmy, I would say I'm a doctor to start with, yes, but I'm also a dreamer. I'm a believer. I really believe in everything around me. I'm an entrepreneur because my mind doesn't stop trying to do new things. I'm an introvert. I like to keep to myself. And lastly, as a passion, I'm also now a podcast artist. So I think that defines me completely from the beginning to the end.
You know, there was a gentleman out there said, Rajiv also makes babies, and a big salute to him. You know, that's a beautiful way to put it. You know, if I had my way, I would have actually punned on this, but I'm not doing it because you know, honestly, I really love it. You know, I love the smiles all the doctors happening, the heart wala, the baby wala, and on next to Dr. Safraz. Thank you so much. Doctor, can you hear me?
Safraz, Dr. Safraz.
I can hear you. I can hear you, Jimmy.
Doctor, a single liner. I don't mean line marring, a single liner of describing yourself. You know, you still look like a college student. I don't know how you manage that. But I'm sure, you know, that naughty smile. I mean, I just love you, docs. You know, I wish this naughty smile would I see more often. But please go ahead, the one-liner. I mean, yourself, description.
So the way you described me, I thought I just use a word called bindas and that would do, but that would not sum what I am. I would like to believe that I am a poet, a philosopher, a spiritualist, a traveler, a kind human being, and who also does gastrosurgery for a livelihood.
Wow. This is amazing. You know, you're a singer also, right?
Yeah, I do, but I don't know whether others believe in that or not.
And a fantastic dancer as well.
Oh.
I do that as well, but I don't know whether others would like to dance with me.
No, Safraz, today what we'll do, you know, maybe later on, if you got a little bit of music around, or maybe a small little system around, you play something and we want to see you moving back and shaking a leg or two and nothing else. If that's okay with you. We'll get back to that. But don't worry. I promise, there are about 160 of us here. We will not tell anybody anything. You know, as we say, a young, smart doctor making his moves on the dance floor or at his place, we'll actually look forward to that. But thank you so much. It's amazing. You know, I say all the doctors have a beautiful heart, and that's what matters, you know, and that's what it is. Well, next on to Dr. Shoykot Gupta, a warm welcome to you, a big salute to you. A single liner, doctor, on yourself. How would you describe yourself? Doctor, can you hear me?
Dr. Shoykot Gupta, are you there?
I'm here. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah. Hi there, everybody. Hi, Jimmy.
Pleasure.
Hi, Jitin. Yeah, so basically, I'm a cancer surgeon, so I treat cancer patients. I would like to say that I would believe I'm a rather simple guy, maybe a kind-hearted person. And apart from my work, which is treating cancer patients, doing surgery, I have a number of hobbies which I like to pursue. The chief among them being wildlife photography. I do a lot of that. And
so let me butt in here. You are into wildlife photography. What kind of wildlife are you talking about?
Well, there are two kinds, urban and jungly. I prefer the jungly type.
Okay, so you you are the master of the urban, right? No, sorry.
No,
the jungle. Oh, that's amazing. Yes, doctor, please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Yeah, so I do wildlife photography. I do a lot of other things as well. I am also into martial arts.
Whoa.
I practice
wow.
that.
Well, one second.
Traveling.
1 second. Which style? Karate, jiu-jitsu, what?
Krav Maga.
Oh, I've done Shotokan style of karate. It's been quite some time. You know, I've kind of got into action. Maybe, you know, one day when you kind of chilled out, when you're not overtired, we'll meet somewhere and try out some, you know,
Yes, some moves.
and shakes. Amazing.
Yeah, that would be nice.
You know, I just love it. You know, someone said it's good to see these overworked doctors so passionate about other things also. You know, and that's amazing because I think every person, you know, doing their work or into their work are passionate about so many things. And today we are going to see the other side of the doctors. Thank you, Mr. Gupta. I really appreciate your beautiful words because that's what life is all about. Share, care, mingle, you know, and of course, wildlife photography. We'll come back to that. Now I'd, of course, like to go over to Dr. Vinay Mahendra. Sir, are you there?
Yeah. Hi, Jimmy.
Okay, great. Wow. You know, when I first saw you, I thought you model kahan se aa gaya, yaar? You don't look like a dog. You look like one of those stars. You look like one of those party animals, you know, at the nightclub with that little naughty smile. So do tell us about yourself, that one line.
Well, I'm a cricketer by heart, a reluctant doctor who doesn't know how to spend about, say, 30, 35 years in medicine.
Wow.
And that's really sums me up. I'm not a party guy, actually. On the contrary, you know, I'm very introvert. I spend time with very limited people. Very bad at making new friends. I like to be in my comfort zone.
Okay, request from the audience. I think, you know, if we can speak a little into the laptop or the computer mics, because they're finding all of us soft. I don't know why they're finding all of us soft. Okay, a great message. You know, it says, Dr. Vinay looks cool. What would you like to say about that?
Well, I don't know. I think my parents used to call me a Namakul.
Well, this is amazing. You know, guys, once again, a warm welcome to all of y'all. It's been so wonderful. And I think we have 5 doctors on the panel, right, Jiten?
Just hold on, guys.
Minnie, I'm okay.
No, you are not okay.
Never say no to the ladies around. When they say you're not okay, you better get okay.
That's what I'm saying.
Well, no, so tell me, it's a Saturday. Can I see a glass? I think I can see a glass of beer around. Is that so?
It's kept on the floor. So.
Oh, and I hope all the doctors are not keeping their so-called sin drink down on the ground or not around.
No, it's all around here. The bar is hidden behind the screen right now.
Okay, so that's the safety net. Amazing, guys.
Already in the tummy.
Oops. Now she's trying to tell you you're very fast, huh? You must have gulped it down. And I think that deserves another.
Guys, we are live on Facebook, so please cool down. Let's not
No, but we are looking at the other side of the amazing doctors. So tell me, doctors, you know, I'm just curious. You know, I'm going to ask you this question because we are all very curious about it. I'm sure you've been in your profession since donkey's years. You've mastered it. You've done so much. You love it. And again, taking off on all of you is, if you weren't a doctor, what would you have been? I'm really curious. I mean, now I'm not going to ask individual names. You all can just start off. Whoever starts talking first, followed by the other. You know, I'm not going to be like a school teacher now. We can start off with you, Vinay.
Well, I would have been a cricketer, or at least would have tried to be.
So great. I'm so happy you like playing with the bat and the ball. Amazing, amazing. And I see Rajiv ji on screen. Rajiv, what would you have been if you're a doc?
I honestly don't know, Jimmy, because from, you know, कहते हैं ना, just जब से होश संभाला है, the only thought I ever had, of course, everyone grows up wanting to be a policeman and a pilot and an astronaut. Those years being put aside, I honestly never thought of being anyone else but a doctor. So I honestly don't have a very good answer for that. This is always all that I believed in.
Okay, someone just said, Rajiv ji, you're looking very red hot. I don't know what he means by that, because it's a guy giving that comment.
I had to make it.
Safraz, if you were not a doc, okay, we got.
Do you want the phone number?
Whose phone number you're talking about?
No, the guy who was
Ravi, can we switch off the screen?
I'm seeing a lot on screen.
So, you guys got to be careful who are allowing in the house, okay?
I just love this show. You know, doctors, trust me, you know, if I had my way, the show wouldn't end for 5 hours, provided all those pictures come back all again. You know, we can have a beautiful visual delight. And Jiten is looking a little quiet, but right now we can have Dr. Gupta. Dr. Gupta, are you there?
Yeah, very much here.
Okay, Dr. Gupta, if you want a doc, what would you have been?
So, doctor came in quite late, actually.
Oops.
If I was the part about being a doctor, but if I wasn't a doctor, I would be one of two things.
Either I would, one or two things. Okay, nice.
I would be one of two things.
Okay, one of two things.
Either I would run a wildlife lodge and be a wildlife photographer and be entirely into conservation, or I would be an archaeologist, because one of my passions is ancient history.
Doc, you love discovering, huh?
Yeah.
You know, whether it be wildlife, whether it be archaeology, and the other things I can keep it for another time. I'm sure
we'll talk about that later.
Okay, Safraz, are you there? Oh, he's got this big smile. If you weren't a doc, what would you have been?
So, like Rajiv, I think I wouldn't be wanting to be anybody else apart from being a gastrosurgeon. It's been sort of a dream from a very early childhood. So I don't think it's very easy to envisage, but having discovered myself in recent times, I think I could have been a good teacher and a writer. Wow. If I was teaching people, I would probably be of more service to the society.
Great. You know, but I really want to know is, how do you manage to take out all that gas when you're at it?
Gas, well, somehow I am a laparoscopic surgeon. I have to put in the gas inside the abdomen to operate. Letting the gas out is entirely at the hands of my wife, who is staying at the end of the operation and doing the needful. And she does carry that job back home as well.
Oh, amazing. But I'm so happy, you know, you give due credit to your wives. And I'm sure you're bina wife ka kuch hota hi nahi life mein, whether it be doctor, whether it be wildlife, whether it be having babies. I mean, you know, whatever, Rajiv, no pun intended there. But right now to Dr. Anjan Siotia, so what would you have been, you know, if you were not a doc?
Nothing, Jimmy. To be honest, I decided to become, or I wanted to become a cardiologist even before I wanted to become a doctor.
Oops.
So, yeah, sounds strange, but I never wanted to become just a doctor. It was always cardiology for me. So I had never thought of, you know, myself doing anything but cardiology. In fact, I think I would be good at nothing else. I can just about manage the heart. That's it. But last few days, you know, I'm thinking about, you know, other things that I could have done. And one interesting thing that has come to my mind is I could have also started hosting a chat show, you know, Papa AS, something like that. Jiten Chawla, you know, that's quite an interesting thing to do, I think. So
sounds good.
If cardiology nahi chalegi, then Jiten, I'm going to be your competitor.
Okay.
Excellent, but Doc, I know you've repaired a lot of hearts in reality, but I'm just curious, you know, in your profession, have you actually joined hearts? Like, जैसे, you know, boyfriend, girlfriend, आपने किसी को मिला दिया, कोई आया, heart का problem है, daughter in love with someone else. I mean, you know, mending hearts in reality. Has it ever happened with you? I'm just curious. Because you're a man with a heart. I'm sure you play Cupid also.
Yeah. No, not really, actually. You know, it's not as interesting as it sounds, you know. No, I don't have any such experience, I have to admit.
Oh.
I deal with individual hearts rather than 2 or 3 together and join them and do things. No.
Okay. Talking about hearts, you know, I'm going to start off with Dr. Anjan only. Moving backwards. Tell me one thing is, how did you win the heart of yours? I mean, aapne kya special kiya? You know, that was it like patawing? Was it like singing? Was it like experimenting your hobby styles? You know, he's looking onto the right-hand side. I'm sure his
Yeah,
wife...
my wife is sitting there. Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay.
So
You know,
I was going to say that you should ask that question to my wife, not
okay,
me.
please.
She doesn't want to. She's doing like this. She doesn't want to come in front of the camera. But again, it's not all that sexy. It's not all that exciting. I didn't do anything. Ours was an arranged marriage.
Great.
So we fell in love after we got married.
That's nice. So you're trying to say you never fell in love in school and college, huh?
Yeah, let's not talk about it. She's sitting right there. Come on.
Later, she's going to be mending your heart after this. Trust me. That is so amazing. And we're going on to the next gentleman, the red hot guy, as he's been described, Rajiv Agarwal.
The red hot one, yes.
I know. Idhar money, he's kind of pensive. He's got his fingers on his chin. He doesn't look worried at all, by the way. Rajiv, what's been happening? Tell me.
Dr. Rajiv Agarwal, where are you? Ravi, can you find him?
Doctor, are you there? Rajiv?
Maybe he's gone looking out somewhere.
No. I think he's gone.
Yeah, but he's reading.
Think of the answer before he gets back. नहीं तो गोली चल सकता है घर पे.
I think he got disconnected.
No, don't worry. You can always rejoin.
In between, Deepshika, you have any question that's come up? You'd like to ask later when you get the questions ready?
Yeah. I'm having a lot of questions.
Okay. So you know what I'm going to do is...
Maybe after this round, we can take over.
Absolutely. So, Sarfraz ji.
Yeah.
What is your love story, yaar? I think he's a little worried. Is wife around, by the way?
No. She is probably watching in another room. She's very shy to come on camera, unlike me. I'm pretty cool about it. And I have absolutely nothing to be afraid of. My life has been an open book. Many of my friends already know it. I was in love with a girl, and it broke off. And thereafter, Laila also, my wife, my present wife, my current wife.
Okay, so you're going to sing Laila or Laila for her. That's going to happen at the end. Trust me.
Well, we'll come to that. So she also had a heartbreak, and this was in 1999. And thereafter, two heartbroken people, we met up. And in mending hearts, we fell in love and we got married in 2000. So it was a story of sorts. The best part was that Laila actually came to propose to me on behalf of some other girl. And I was not interested in the other girl. I was interested in this girl. So this was the first story of my...
Wow.
How it started. Yeah.
This is a gastritis story. I don't know I got the medical term right or right. Or wrong. Wow, you exploded. Amazing.
Evergreen one, no?
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Sir, that's why your evergreen seems to look like.
That's why you're evergreen. One is red hot, you're super evergreen.
Yeah.
I think doctors are saying something with their colors. This is amazing. Shaikat, Mr. Gupta, where are you?
I'm right here.
Yes. So, romance में कुछ हुआ?
Sarfraz ने तो इतना रुला दिया, मैं भी क्या बोलूं? I'm still recovering from his story.
Mine ended in a happy note, yeah.
So what's your story, Mr. Gupta?
Well, same as everybody else's. I'm married. My wife is on this group. I think she's.
It's got stuck
right there, and that's about it.
Great, amazing. Mr. Mahendra, where are you?
Yeah, I'm here, very much here.
कहाँ पे यार दिखाई नहीं दे रहा?
Ravi, can we move the spotlight there?
Yeah.
यार तुम्हारा कहानी क्या है यार? Because she's sitting beside you. Just be careful.
It has been actually an arranged marriage because my father said कि
कोई नहीं सकता. कुछ चक्कर पक्का चला होगा behind the scenes. And then he must have told Papa, you know, I think I like this girl, kuch karo.
No, Jimmy, my father said to me कि बेटा घर के बड़े लड़के हो, कॉलेज में जिसको घुमाना है घुमा लो, शादी के लिए लड़की मैं लाऊंगा.
कॉलेज में आपने कितने जन को घुमाया?
तो मैंने अपने आप को अकेले मोटरसाइकिल पे घुमाया, बस और कुछ नहीं किया.
It reminds me of my college days.
Yes, we believe you.
I used to have these foreign bikes and I was too shy, but the girls always wanted to ride on the bikes. So I'm just curious, कितने आपने लड़की लोग को राइड पे ले गए?
Yeah, man, मैं किसी को नहीं ले गया. You know, the bike took them out.
Oh. So the rider had nothing to do with the bike taking them out. Huh? Amazing, yeah. This is wonderful. You know, the story will come out shortly. But docs, it's so wonderful talking for your one-liners, your love lives, your hobbies like wildlife photography, dancing, singing. Are we good to go with some questions?
Yeah, Deepshika, would you please ask questions directly?
Yeah, one of the question, I mean, any of the doctors can answer to that question. And that's my question. I would obviously put up my question first. So the thing is, do you have to attend some kind of particular class? I mean, which only the doctors and chemists do about handwriting? Because what you write, only the chemist can understand. None of us can ever understand it.
And you know, that also will be, you know, specific chemists.
We are given reverse handwriting classes from first year to fifth year.
You know, my handwriting is so bad now that I can't even read my own prescription 2 days later. So what is now happening is entirely digital. So if it is not digital, nobody can understand what I have written.
Yeah, because when we see any of the prescriptions, we are like, it's some alien thing that is written over here, which we definitely can't make out.
Yeah. Fortunately, all the poetry I wrote was when my handwriting was good. So I could always get them digitally recorded now. Otherwise, I would have lost all of them.
All right. So one of the questions from one of our viewers is that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But if the doctor is cute, keep the apple away. Have you had experiences where you have patients coming back to you only because they want to see you?
Nobody's going to take that question.
I will take this question.
Well, I'll tell you what.
Dr. Rajiv Agarwal. I can't see Dr. Rajiv Agarwal.
No, I'm back here. I'm back here.
70 plus men. So
JC, I will take that question.
Yes, please.
So beginning of my career, when nothing else was happening and I was trying every little place to try and consult and get some patients. So I used to travel to Chandan Nagar and I would actually go to Howrah station, take a local train, go to Chandan Nagar, sit there in one of those pharmacy shops for about 2 to 3 hours and come back. And this one lady would come in and chat and, you know, whatever problem she would have. So first day she came in, I was very happy. She gave me whatever, I don't remember, some 200 or some odd rupees at that time. And I was very happy because it covered at least my cost of going up and down. And then the next week she came back again and the next week she came back. And the next week she came back again.
Don't kill us.
Just a minute. Can we mute all of you, please? The rest, please mute. You're disturbing the doctors from talking.
Unfortunately, that is the only patient who ever came back to me. But at least she would cover.
Sorry, sir.
You're not audible, Dr. Rajiv. You're not audible.
Hello? I think everyone was muted.
Okay.
You're okay now?
Yeah, so I'm just saying that this lady just kept coming back every week to pay those 200 or 250 rupees. And she would come up with some sort of a nonsensical problem to talk. I was happy because at least she was paying for my train fare up and down. But yes, I could understand that she really wasn't having any problems.
So I have something to share, and if you have the time, I can share it.
Sure,
yeah, please.
So, you know, there was one time when I had this female patient. She came to consult for weight issues. She was a little weird. Of course, a little quirky. I'll not go more than that, but pretty adorable otherwise. So by the time I finished the consultation, she asked me, just out of the blue, doctor, I would like to go out on a date with you. Can I go out on a date with you? And I immediately pointed out, it is very sweet of you to ask me out, but there are certain reasons why I can't do this. A, I'm married. B, even if I was not married, I wouldn't go out date with a patient of mine. It's against my professional ethics. And 3, the lady that you see standing behind me is not my secretary. She's my wife. To which, she coolly responded, can I go out with your husband on a date, please? I would not like to tell you how the story ended, but till today, she is our patient, and that's the best part.
Really?
Take her
Yes.
there,
Sorry?
Where did you take her?
Well, we took her together.
Well, you rarely get women like this which ask you for a date in front of your wife now these days.
Well, you can.
So she's
Okay,
made up something. Now, Papa, I think we should move ahead a little bit.
No, Jimmy, one second, Jimmy. One second. I was just thinking that Deepshika has so many good questions. Can we allow her to continue a little?
Sure, of course, please. Because
Deepshika,
that-
Arey, no, I can come back. That's absolutely fine. I can come back again.
you have, because
You can
we
do
have
one
to
case.
there are only 2 participants so far. You have to involve the others also.
Yeah, please. You can always, if someone's asked a really crazy question, I don't mind if the person kind of comes on and asks the question to the docs. If otherwise, you go ahead with at least 3 more questions, and then we're going to do a rapid fire round with all the docs. We're going to do a rapid fire round with all the docs and see how good Ayala quickies.
Okay, good. Deepshika, the next question.
So I have this question for Dr. Shekhar. Kolkata being the city of hypochondriacs, how do you deal with them?
अभी हाइपोकॉन्ड्रिया का मतलब क्या होता है यार?
जो हमेशा यही सोचते हो कि उनको सारी बीमारी हो गई है. They are scared.
Okay.
Dr. Shekhar?
Dr. Shekhar, are you there?
I think he's muted.
Dr. Shekhar, are you there? Ravi, can we please spotlight him?
Hypochondriacs are doctors and doctors' families.
Sorry, doctor, we missed you. Can you just say that again?
Yeah, the biggest hypochondriacs are doctors and people who know the doctors well. There's actually a term called nosophobia, which we learned in medical school, which means that it happens especially when you're a medical student. As we study more and more medicine, we keep on learning about new diseases. And I'm sure it has happened to all of us. As we learn about new diseases, suppose a 3rd-year student, he's reading about something, or a 4th-year student, he thinks, oh my God, all the symptoms are matching up with me, what happened to me yesterday. So this is the first thing that happens to a medical student, and we have all gone through nosophobia, which means, oh, okay, so I must be having this systemic lupus erythematosus, something like that, because how the symptoms match up with mine. But yeah, Calcutta is this. I mean, I wouldn't say Calcutta is. Indians in general, I think, worry a lot, and there are a lot of hypochondriacs.
True.
Yeah, and in my line, which is cancer, I get a lot of patients who keep on coming back to me saying, doctor, I'm sure I have cancer. And I actually have a list of them. There's a list with my secretary, and we know that these are the ones who keep on coming back every month, and they will not take no for an answer. They will have an appointment, and they will show me whatever part they feel the cancer.
So, doctor, does this happen to be a lot of ladies or a lot of men?
Interesting question. The proportion of ladies has fallen over the years, along with the falling hair and the graying hair. But yes, there used to be quite a few.
So we have more men coming to you more often.
I didn't say that.
Giving hints.
We have Anita Kejriwal who's raised her hand. Does she want to ask a question, Deepshika?
But could we just...
Yeah,
I'm there. Hello?
Yeah, Anita, please go ahead.
I want to tell Dr. Rajiv something. Dr. Rajiv Agarwal.
Please go ahead.
I had met Dr. Rajiv Agarwal around 15 to, I think, 16 years back.
Wow.
And when I had met him for the first time at VLCC, and I had spoken to him about my gynecological problem. Actually, I'm telling this for the first time. I saw him, he was sitting there, very, very good looking, extremely charming.
I love this.
And then he told me something, and then I came back and told my husband. I said, I met this doctor. लगता है नया नया आया है अभी, और है ना, he doesn't know, he's so good looking. उसको देख के कोई क्या सोचेगा कि इसको कुछ आता है, he's telling me this, that, and then I was just laughing. कि कैसे ये लोग डॉक्टर बन जाते हैं, इतने अच्छे हैं, लोगों को तो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में जाना चाहिए. and you will not believe, then after that we did not meet for 5 years. Then after the 6 years, I again went to him for the same problem. He treated me, and now I have a son who is 12 years old. So good looks सिर्फ वही नहीं होता है. I think it was my pure luck and sheer good luck that I met Dr. Rajiv, and I want to thank in front of everyone to him.
Thank you, Anita. Thank you. That is so lovely.
Why is the video not showing first? Rajiv's a question for you. Why is her video not showing?
Rajiv is speechless.
No,
you know what? I think let's go for the quickies. Are the doctors ready?
One second. Ravi, can you please mute all? Because a lot of disturbance is happening.
I'll do that. I'm doing that.
Mute all and just unmute all the doctors. That's it.
Yeah, muted. I'm unmuting the docs one by one.
How many quickies do you want us to have in a day? अबे कितने क्विकी करो?
अरे भाई, this is what they say. The world is moving so fast कि जल्दी सब होना ही चाहिए. Now it depends on what you think and what I think. They could be North Pole and South Pole, but life is life. So yes, we will have the rapid fire. Yeah. Okay, doctors, are we ready?
Yes.
I will start from Rajiv because he's the red hot personality. Women are loving him. Rajiv, are you on? Rajiv, are you there?
Oh, yes, I'm there.
Okay, now you know what? No time to think. One word per answer. That's it. Okay, and I'm kicking it off right now. Means we got about 20 seconds and maybe 5 questions. Listen to it carefully. If you could get yourself anything, what would you get?
Happiness.
Where is the worst place you could get stuck in?
A lift with an ugly woman.
Oops. What would you do with your 15 minutes to fame?
15 minutes to fame. Make sure I get 1 more hour there.
Oh, wow. Where would you go if you were invisible? Don't be naughty now.
I don't know where Sunny Leone lives.
Oops. Don't worry. We'll send you the address and the phone number. Well, what is the one thing you own you wish you didn't?
Anxiety.
Okay, that was great. I think I asked 5 questions, right?
Yes.
Okay, now Dr. Shaukat Gupta, on to you.
Yeah,
doctor?
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay, now this is, I don't know why, we were talking about quickies some time ago. So this comes to you. Describe the perfect kiss in 3 words.
Perfect?
Perfect kiss in 3 words.
3 words.
Yes.
Soft, luscious, and erotic.
I know why you're a doctor now. Description-wise, it's amazing. What is your biggest addiction?
Jungles.
Yeah. Boss, you're into jungles, and I love that. Okay. Do you have a song, or do you remember a song that reminds you of a relationship? If so, what's the song?
All alongside. Oh, okay. About a relationship.
Yeah.
The Bryan Adams number.
Which one?
When a man loves a woman.
So can you sing a line for us?
Oh, no. Don't even try. Your audience will drop so dramatically. You won't
Ek kaam karta hai. You know what? I will start the first word and both of us together will sing, right?
Okay.
When a man loves a woman. I don't know after that. I don't know what.
I was following your cue.
Okay, I'm just curious. I know you're very busy as a doctor, but how many books have you read so far this year?
Oh man, this year?
Yeah, this year.
Maybe I've finished 10.
Oh wow. You do read, and I love that. Okay, now ask yourself a question. When I dance, I look like. So when you dance, you look like what?
John Travolta, of course.
Oh, wow.
Wow, not bad.
In the air.
Not bad.
This is amazing. And I think I've done the 5 questions with Doctor. Amazing. Thank you so much. Safraz, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Where are you? I can't see you.
I'm here.
Okay, great. If you were famous, what would you be famous for? Forget about being a doc.
A poet.
Oh, wow. What is the worst job you could have?
Oh, that's a crazy one. Being the prime minister of this kind of a country?
Oops. We are live on Facebook and I love that. What is your favorite TV channel? No bias.
Sorry, come again?
What is your favorite TV channel?
I don't watch TVs at all.
Okay, what is the thing you're most afraid of?
I think something going viral on WhatsApp and social media and incorrect about me.
Okay. What celebrity annoys you the most?
You can't be asking me that on the Facebook. Happens to be leaders of some nations. I wish I could have erased those names, but I think we have to be kind enough to accommodate everybody. Let's not take names, but leaders of some nations definitely don't deserve to be there.
Absolutely, a pain in the butt with a lot of gas to take out. Trust me. Well, it's really wonderful, and thank you so much. And Vinay ji, namaskar. Aap soch rahe ho?
Hello.
You are cool. You don't look like a doc at all. Yeah. Seriously, modeling start kar de. You know, you might be a big hit. For the doctors.
Jimmy, you know, once Vinay walked into a party.
Oops.
And there was a friend with me. So I asked him that, you know, that guy who's just walked in, give me, what do you think is his profession? One word. And you know what that guy said? It was a guy. He said, he took a good look at Vinay and then said, a jockey?
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Yeah. Vinay, what we'll do is, you know, I'm going to teach you a little bit of reading. And, you know, this is just a curiosity. All 5 docs together, let's have a 1-hour jam session, playing music, DJing and rapping. You know, they say, na, another profession by side. You know, I think we'll try it out sometime. Papa, what do you say so sometime?
Yeah, done, we'll do it.
Amazing. Okay. I'm just asking you right now. I hope wife is not going to answer this for you. What is the most interesting thing you have in your purse and wallet right now?
Money.
Money. Interesting thing. Nothing interesting in my wallet.
You don't have wife's picture?
No.
Kya bol rahe yaar?
You asked interesting.
Okay. What is the meanest thing you have ever said to someone? What is the meanest thing you've ever said to someone?
Well, I don't know, many things to many people, many times.
Okay, I will not ask more than that. What is your lifelong dream?
Unfulfilled.
Unfulfilled. Okay. If you had to talk to Mr. Donald Trump, what would you talk about?
I'll probably much rather ask him not to talk.
Oops. Have you ever tried to do something you know you would be really bad at? You know, try kiya. You know, all of us try something and we make fools of ourselves many a time. So have you ever tried something like that? What was it?
Oh, yes, singing.
Okay, amazing. We love it. What's your favorite song?
My favorite song, the first song which comes to my mind, which I think I've told many times, Ek Pyar Ka Nagma Hai.
Ek kaam kar yaar. You know, I sang. I sang also today. Doctor also said a line on Bryan Adams. Ek line aap bhi bol dijiye yaar. It'll be nice.
Yes,
just there beside you.
नहीं भागेंगे डॉक, पक्का नहीं भागेंगे.
Mute कर दो सबको पहले.
I want to compete with you.
Well, I'll sing few words. I think that should do. And the Sarfraz, you can give a few with. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
It's very well.
Sarfraz, yeah.
Rajiv is there as well, man.
Rajiv,
Anjan is also a very good singer. Dr. Anjan Siotia, where are you?
Something. Over here, Sarfraz and Rajiv are very, very good singers.
Oh, we
You haven't heard me then. You haven't heard me.
Come to that.
They are.
You haven't heard me. You cannot say that.
So I start and Sarfraz and Rajiv, you take it over. Okay?
Okay, let's do that. At least let's have a threesome. I mean, singing.
चलो एक प्यार का नगमा है सरफराज आजा यार
मौजों की रवानी है जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं तेरी मेरी कहानी है.
Oh, wow.
Excellent.
I love this. Wow. I think, you know what, we should, and you all should, form a doctor's band. सोचना चाहिए. You know?
Drum बन बजाएगा, drum.
सब कुछ बच जाएगा, don't worry. Okay, last question to you. Last
I
question.
can play the bass.
Oh,
lovely.
wow. We're going to hear a lot of that. One last question.
Yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how cool are you?
Probably 2.
12.
क्या बोल रहे हो यार? Okay, this question I'll ask you your wife. On a scale of 1 to 10, how cool is he?
Namaku.
Great. Dr. Vinay, you're there?
Yeah, I am. Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Dr. Sisodia, are you there?
Anjan is the name. You have to stop referring us as doctors.
Okay, Anjan.
I feel very old. I know
yaar.
Anjan as you are, but
Anjan, you look young. You look that serious type with a big fire inside you.
yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Rapid fire, very fast. How long does it take you to get ready in the morning?
10 minutes.
Wow, that's fast. What is the one thing you always wanted to do?
Become a cardiologist.
Oops, righto. What new technology will transform the future according to you?
That's a tough one. A vaccine for corona.
Excellent. Okay. You know, we are all in lockdown. We are all in lockdown round. What supply in your house is running low right now?
Daru.
I knew that coming.
Okay, talking about Daru, currently, what is the most delightful word you can think of? The most delightful word?
Company of friends, I think.
Amazing. What's your least favorite beverage? I'm not taking the word Kali beverage bol raha hu. What is your least favorite beverage?
Water.
I thought so. I think I've gone through all the 5 doctors, right?
So the best thing about Dr. Anjan Siotia is that he answers the questions with a lot of wits and simplicity innocently. Just
okay.
There is no naughty smile in this.
So Dr. Siotia, I'm going to ask you one more question for the road.
Anjan, let me correct you. You are making me feel old all the time. Yeah.
क्या बोल रहे हैं? Young लग रहे हो. Anjan, okay, Anjan.
Anjan is better.
Okay, Anjan.
I know.
Now,
I know it's not the sexiest of name, but you know you can try.
Absolutely, Anjan. I'm going to ask you this question. It's one for the road. What is the first thing you notice about the opposite sex?
The smile.
Arey baap, re baap. You talk about I love your smile, and that's a gentleman.
Excellent.
Okay.
In between,
yeah.
Baba, one question. Baba, there is someone, Dr. Anjan. There's someone here who wants to say hi to you. Smita, are you there?
Yes, I'm very much here. Hi, Anjan. Last time I missed saying hi to you. So, a very hi to you. And I must say one thing that...
Can I see you?
Oh, yes.
That we've
lovely to see you.
Yes, lovely to see you too, Anjan. And I must say that despite his busy schedule, every time that I go to Calcutta, he takes out some time to at least come meet me, even if it is for 10 minutes. So I really enjoy meeting him.
Well, I have to tell everybody that Sonu Didi is the reason I am a doctor.
No, not at all.
You are. So we grew up together in the same building. She was our neighbor. And my first day in college, my first day in medical college, you know, we got past the joint entrance exam and I got admission in Calcutta Medical College. And on my first day when I went to the college, I was I was scared what I saw there. It was very daunting. And, you know, the wards and the entire atmosphere, it was not something that I had experienced before. And I had doubts whether I would be able to do it or not, get past that MBBS course. And I came back home and I told everybody at home that, no, I'm not doing medicine. I'm giving it all up. It's not for me. And then Sonu Didi sat with me for 2 hours in her flat and convinced me to carry on. She said, you know, try it for a few months. If you don't like it, you can always give it up. But lakhs of students sit for the exam and very few fortunate ones get through. And you are one of those fortunate ones. So don't let this opportunity go. And I listened to her advice. And here I am, a cardiologist.
Let me tell you, it's just not at all. It's your humble self talking. It's nothing but it's your hard work, your dedication, and your focus that's, like, you know, brought you what you are today.
Thank you, Smita. Thank you so much. Okay, over to you.
That was a lovely surprise, Jitan. Thank you.
Yeah. I had to connect with her to call her over.
Wow, this is, you know, so beautiful. You know, the way technology across gets all of us connected, smiles, talking our hearts out. And Sarfraz,
yeah,
have you got the music ready? Little bit.
You would like
any tune play, and we want to see you move a little back and maybe give us one of those steps. It will be lovely.
You actually will make him dance now?
Absolutely,
no, there is no way I can dance in my library. I don't have a music system.
Okay, what
I can do anything else but not dancing at the moment.
Okay, then sing us your favorite song.
Come on, Sarfraz.
Some people wanted me to recite a poetry. You want to do a poetry, or you want to? I think I can do a poetry for you guys.
Both.
You can, you can make it short and tight both ways.
Okay, so this is the poetry I just wrote yesterday in the morning. So this should be the freshest to you guys. It's pretty relevant to today's time and age. So गौर फरमाइए, आपको हिंदी में शायद अच्छा लगे, शायद आप लोग को लगे कि जो हो रहा है शायद ऐसे ही हो रहा है. एक नई दुनिया उभर कर आ रही है. एक नई दुनिया उभर कर आ रही है. उस दुनिया में हम तुम खुल के मिलते हैं. तुम में सब्र और मुझे सुनने की आदत आ रही है. एक नई दुनिया उभर कर आ रही है. आसमान नीला है और जमीन पे कोई लाल नहीं. आसमान नीला है और जमीन पे कोई लाल नहीं. मेरे अल्फाजों में शिकायत नहीं और तुम्हारे ख्याल में नरमी आ रही है. एक नई दुनिया उभर कर आ रही है. हमारे बच्चों को मजहब के बारे में बस मालूम होगा यही. हमारे बच्चों को मजहब के बारे में बस मालूम होगा यही कि तेरे और मेरे खुदा के बीच में कोई फर्क नहीं नजर आ रही है. एक नई दुनिया उभर कर आ रही है. अब पेड़ों और दरख्तों में जिंदगी आने लगी है नजर, और जितना है पास में उसी में बरकत आ रही है. एक नई दुनिया उभर कर आ रही है. घर के बाहर एक दुनिया ठीक है मगर, घर के बाहर एक दुनिया ठीक है मगर, घर के अंदर अब अपनी दुनिया नजर आ रही है. एक नई दुनिया उभर कर आ रही है. वैसे तो जिंदगी गुजारने के लिए सामान चाहिए बहुत. वैसे तो जिंदगी गुजारने के लिए सामान चाहिए बहुत. खुदा मेरे लिए काफी है, ऐसी सोच आ रही है. एक नई दुनिया उभर कर आ रही है. खबरें, राय और बयान अब सुनते नहीं हैं हम. भरोसा अब सिर्फ दिल की आवाज पर आ रही है. एक नई दुनिया उभर कर आ रही है. और आखिरी शेर है, आगे क्या होगा सोचकर घबराना नहीं है दोस्त. आगे क्या होगा सोचकर घबराना नहीं है दोस्त. जो है उसे बांट कर खाने की वक्त करीब आ रही है. एक नई दुनिया उभर कर आ रही है.
क्या बात है.
Excellent, Doc. Excellent.
Amazing.
Really intense.
Super.
Thank you.
और सब कहाँ फंस गए डॉक्टरी में यार. किताबें लिखो.
इरादा है.
Now I know.
Yeah, we'll be looking forward for that.
Yeah, absolutely. It was amazing for a 1 hour session, of poetry and shairis. Amazing.
This is just the beginning of the first hour.
Absolutely. Rajiv ji, where are you hiding?
I'm here.
The red hot.
The red hot guy. I mean, you just do it in style. Sing the song which you want to express. Sing the song from your heart. Direct, they'll say whatever you want to sing. It's your platform right now. Yeah.
Okay, so I would like to recite a few lines. Of course, मेरे पास सरफराज का हुनर नहीं है, तो मैं किसी और के lines ही सुनाऊंगा.
गाना नहीं गाओगे?
गाना भी गाऊंगा. आपने कहा ना दोनों, आपने कहा ना दोनों तरफ से टाइट रखो, मैं दोनों तरफ से टाइट रखूंगा. कल नई कोपलें फूटेंगी, नए फूल मुस्काएंगे और नई घास के नए फर्श पर नए पांव इठलाएंगे. वो मेरे बीच नहीं आए, वो मेरे बीच नहीं आए, मैं उनके बीच में क्यों आऊं? उनकी सुबहों और शामों का एक भी लम्हा क्यों पाऊं? मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूं, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है, पल दो पल मेरी हस्ती है, पल दो पल मेरी जवानी है. मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूं, पल दो पल मेरी जवानी है, पल दो पल मेरी हस्ती है, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है. मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूं. मुझसे पहले कितने शायर आए और आकर चले गए, कुछ आहें भर कर लौट गए, कुछ नगमे गा कर चले गए. वो भी एक पल का किस्सा थे, मैं भी एक पल का किस्सा हूँ. कल तुमसे जुदा हो जाऊंगा, वो आज तुम्हारा हिस्सा हूँ. मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ. Thank you.
Brilliant. Brilliant.
I'm so happy. Next time, I think when patients visit you, you should start the introduction. You should start the conversation. Rajiv ji with a song. Trust me, a lot of proposals will come your way. I can promise you that. वो हमेशा आते रहेंगे 200 रुपया दे देके.
Jimmy, I have a question for you.
Jimmy, the only problem with that is, right now my wife manages all my finances. Oops. And she's promised me that if I mess around with her, she will not even let me know which banks have all the accounts. So I'll be left a pauper.
But again, as people saying, you're looking red hot. I mean, and you know what? Girls, ladies, and men have also said that. So you are applicable all across. Yes, Papa, you said something?
I was about to ask you a question. Did you ever imagine that doctors were so talented otherwise?
Can I tell you honestly? Yeah. Yes, I know doctors are talented, but very few really come out the way they're coming out today. And I think this is a beautiful platform where you're actually seeing doctors come out in reality what they are. It's not just about being serious and about being just stuck to a job, where you have to concentrate on. Trust me, I think doctors have some of the best talents in the world. We are just seeing the beginning. Abhi to trailer chal raha hai yaar. Movie to baki hai abhi. So Fraz has got a very nice smile. So Fraz, are you looking at me or are you looking at somebody else there?
I'm looking at everyone, as you said.
Great. That's a very smart answer. And Anjan, are you there?
Yeah, I am. Unfortunately, because I'm going to disappoint you all. I'm not all that talented. I mean, it's very daunting to sit here in the company of Sarfaraz and Rajiv Da. You feel so inadequate in front of them.
Arey Baba, koi tension nahi. You know what I'll do?
It's not just the looks. It's not just the looks I'm talking about. But anyway, carry on.
Okay, you know what? Okay, I'm going to leave it to you. Whether it be singing, dancing, poetry, words, anything, it's your choice. Whatever you feel comfortable with, just go ahead and do it for us.
Right. The problem, Jimmy, is that I love everything. I love singing. I love dancing. But I'm not good at anything.
So you're just like me.
I'm not. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm not saying I'm the worst singer in the world, but I'll be pretty close. I would be pretty close. So instead of singing, what I'm going to do is, since you've put me on the spot, I am going to recite the shairi before my favorite song, which is Kabhi Kabhi.
Oh wow.
Kabhi Kabhi mere dil mein khayal aata hai. So I'm not a good singer, but I'll try to sing the shairi that Amitabh Bachchan sings in that movie or recites in that movie before the song. कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जिंदगी तेरी जुल्फों की नर्म छांव में गुजरने पाती तो शहादत हो भी सकती थी। ये रंज और गम की स्याही जो दिल पे छाई है तेरी नजर की शुआओं में खो भी सकती थी, मगर ये हो न सका। मगर ये हो न सका और अब ये आलम है कि तू नहीं, तेरा गम, तेरी जुस्तजू भी नहीं। गुजर रही है कुछ इस तरह जिंदगी जैसे इसे किसी के सहारे की आरज़ू ही नहीं। न कोई राह, न मंजिल, न रोशनी का सुराग, भटक रही है अंधेरों में जिंदगी मेरी। इन्हीं अंधेरों में रह जाऊंगा कभी खोकर, मैं जानता हूँ मेरी हमनवस, मगर यूं ही कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है।
Good. Boss, do you know you are giving competition?
Doc, someone is asking वो कौन थी?
अभी तो secret.
Sarfaraz, are you saying something?
No. I was actually appreciating you. I've heard this twice from your mouth. You know, it just comes from your heart. You memorize this. It comes from your heart. Your eyes are speaking, and your face is changing expressions. It's amazing.
Sarfaraz ji, I love the way you described it. You know, it was very romantically inclined. I just loved it. Amazing.
Thank you.
Doctors have the heart, they have the style, they have the zing, they have the talent, and they make a difference to our lives. It's so wonderful. Vinay, are you there? The cool man?
You mean doctor?
He's going to get his beer, I guess.
Okay, Saikat, are you there? Saikat?
Yeah, I'm very much here.
Okay.
I can see Vinay.
Now, don't worry, Saikat, we are going to go. I remember you picked up a guitar. I remember I saw you picking up a guitar. So,
no, I'll tell you what.
For us, make a lot of noise, your style, your way, whatever you're comfortable, singing, dancing, playing, strumming, whatever.
Okay. So, if you ask me to grade myself on a scale of music, be it playing an instrument, singing on a scale of 0 to 10, I would be somewhere near -10. So, I'm musically as untalented as you can get. So,
if someone is saying chalega, no problem.
No. So
that's better than many of us actually.
Lockdown period, I decided that I must do something about it. So I decided to learn the bass guitar.
Oh wow.
So I've been learning the bass guitar online for only 10 days now. So it's not in a position when I can play anything for you.
Don't play. Make some noise, some tune. Tung tang tung dub dub. Whatever. Yeah.
मैं 10 दिन सीख रहा हूँ. 10 days.
Okay. Sir, you create magic. Oh wow. Amazing. Amazing. Oh, this looks big. This looks great. You know, I feel you have an AK-47 in your hand.
That would be my camera, which I take to the jungle. That looks like an AK-47.
You could also take an AK-47 to the jungle. That would be the most appropriate thing.
But the camera that I use looks like, looks somewhat like that.
And probably far more lethal.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear the tune?
Yeah.
Yes.
So tell me what this tune is.
Auld Lang Syne, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, Auld Lang Syne.
Brilliant. You know what? Even with a couple of notes he played, and I'm sure, you know, you actually, when you're playing the bass guitar, you need it electrified. you know, so that can be amplified across.
Yeah.
You know, I think you're going to be very good with those fingers and strumming. Amazing.
Yeah. I've been learning it for 10 days now, so and it's online.
Thank you so much. And Vinay is there. He's all waiting to go. I don't know what he's got in his hands. Maybe the bottle is down below. But Vinay, what are you going to do for us? I heard you're a great rapper. Yo, check it out. Go.
Nothing.
We the doctors have to say, show. You guys got to do it. You guys got to do it right. Okay, Vinay, what do you want to do for us?
Well, I'm none of those, Jimmy.
You don't have to be any of those, but just do it, Nike style.
Well, I'll tell you a share of Gulzar.
Okay.
Which I was thinking, you know, क्या बोले इसमें? तो हमने कहा ये वाला कुछ समझ में आया, you know. So let me just think about it.
ना सोचने को
क्या उम्र कहती है कि अब कुछ संजीदा हुआ जाए, उम्र कहती है अब कुछ संजीदा हुआ जाए, दिल कहता है कुछ नादानियां और सही.
Great, nice.
Vinay has this lots of shares actually, lot of these shairis which she keeps on telling me in the operation theatre when we chat outside the operation theatre, but I don't think they can be. Can you?
No.
I'm sure they cannot be spoken out loud.
No.
Yeah.
He's got a lot of them. Believe me, he's got a lot of them.
Now I know what energizes you all in the operation theatre. You guys do such brilliant work. I love that.
You wouldn't even get close.
I'm just curious.
I'll tell you what, like Shaker Gupta's operating theatre, you go in and then you see Shaker Gupta sitting on a recliner with a stool in front, legs spread over on that stool. And he's sitting like a mafia don. All the assistants are doing various things and everything. And you know, you cannot even enter that operating theatre without Shaker Gupta's playing. He's just total Don Corleone over there.
No.
This is wonderful, you know. And when I, you know, you expressing it, I would love you doctors, you know, one experience, of course, no names, no nothing. One experience, you know, while dealing or while operating, something which you will never forget. होता ना कभी-कभी ऐसा चीज, you know, आप हुआ है आपके साथ ऑपरेशन थिएटर या हॉस्पिटल या कहीं पे भी जो आप सुन के, you know, you kind of burst out laughing. Anything you all want to share? It's open to all of you all. You all can share. You all don't want to share, but it's open to all of you.
My most shocking experience while operating was way back when I was a medical trainee, postgraduate student, when the assistant proposed over the table to me.
Talking was surprising. I mean, okay, I'm just saying, while operating, what was your reaction then? Was it like, oh God, क्या करूं मैं?
नहीं, वो पेशेंट का कुछ गलत काट गया, क्या हुआ?
Was it a male assistant?
Huh? Sorry?
Was it a male assistant, Shoykada?
No, it was a female assistant, but I was operating on a male patient and a hernia operation was going on.
Oops. Thank God the right thing was done.
Well, with me, what happened was, in fact, it was, we sort of looked humor in that later on. It was pretty serious, which happened. So, was doing a surgery with a camera for a bladder cancer. So, you sit on the stool and operate. So, in between, I got up from the stool, and the nurse, without my knowledge, removed the stool from the back. And as I sat down, I went on the floor. The camera went inside the patient's bladder, ruptured everything, and we had to operate and sort it out. The patient was fine, but this nurse, you know, we took her to task, and but everyone was laughing at me, and I was a laughing stock lying on the floor, sprawled all over.
Oops. Anybody else would love to share?
Okay,
Sarfraz, your bariatric surgery. So you will have loads. You will have loads, Sarfraz.
Sarfraz loads his patients on the operation table with a crane. Do you do that?
So once we had actually had a patient who was 280 kilos. And just to put him on the table was a huge task. And there are plenty of patients who've been like that, but this particular patient with 280 kilos, when they wanted to bring him from the ward to the OR, we thought it's better to take the entire bed. So the entire bed was brought down and was taken to the OR. From the OR, the anesthetist said, I'm not going to anesthetize him while after he crawls in. I'm going to anesthetize him and then, shift him to the table. After he put on the table, we are putting on the belts. We realized that much of his fat is outside the table. I mean, it's a bariatric table, right? It's like huge. It's very chauda and very broad. Still, much of him was outside. I was pissing in my pants throughout the procedure that he's going to fall. I am going to be sued. This is the end of my career. But, somehow it was okay. We just pulled through. Nothing really.
She dropped down to how many kilos after that, Sarfraz?
It was a man. 280 was the man, and he dropped to 125 in about 18 months' time. And when he came back, and when we saw him, we were surprised to see him. He did well himself because he wanted to get married and have a child. And of course,
another interesting is Bombay.
Sorry?
Anjan, Dr. Anjan.
Yes.
What's your story?
Yes, Jimmy. Yeah, I mean, it's not something that happened to me on the operating table in our cath lab where we do our angioplasties, but an incident in my clinic, and I'm sure all my doctor friends would relate to that, because all of us get these patients, who bug us with all sorts of idiotic questions. So I had this patient who consulted me and then finished the consultation and then went out, and another patient and his family members moved inside my chamber. And while I was talking to this new patient, this patient came back in again. He opened the door and peeped in and said, Dr. Babu, ekta kotha jigesh korbo. I said, yes. He said, Dr. Babu, ami ki Horlicks khete pari? I mean, okay. I said, yes, why not? Khan, nishoy Khan. So he went back out and then again after 30 seconds came back in. Dr. Babu, ekbar ekta kotha bolun na. Ami ki dine ekbar Horlicks khabo na dubar khabo. I thought this guy is, testing my patience or something, and been sent by the hospital authorities to see whether I'm dealing with the patient correctly, shouting and them screaming at them. So I was cool and I said, yes, I mean, whatever you want. Ekbar, dubar, apnar ichha. Jodo ichha Khan. Then he went back out again, came back in after 10 seconds. Dr. Babu, sorry, ekta kotha ar jigesh korchi. Ami ki half glass kore khabo na ekta glass kore khabo. This is not an exaggeration. Believe me, it's not a story. It happened. Then he went back in again, then came back. Dr. Babu, sorry, Dr. Babu, ekta bhule gelam. Ami ki dudhe mishe khabo na jole mishe khabo. And then it went on. And then he came back in again. Thanda jole khabo na garam jole khabo. And I still remember that incident. This was 4 or 5 years ago, and believe me, I pat myself in the back that I didn't shout at him, I didn't scream at him. I very calmly and coolly answered all the questions, which I think is an achievement for any doctor. I'm sure my colleagues would agree to that.
Absolutely.
10 out of 10 for your patients.
There's a trick to that,
Does he keep coming back to you? Money for visits?
Fortunately not.
Now there's one gentleman, the red hot gentleman. Are you there, Rajiv?
I'm there.
I'm sure you must have had a lot of interesting episodes in life. Do share anyone with us.
So I'll again share, like Anjan, one non-surgical one. So I deliver babies, as you said. We make babies and we deliver babies. So obviously you meet at, you go to a social gathering, you meet people there. Or even wo bacche ka function वगैरह होता है, and you meet people there. And so if my wife and I are going there, there'll be someone or the other coming with their babies who are either in their laps or in their arms or walking along with them and say, Doctor Sahab, ye aap hi ka bachcha hai. And ye aap hi ke din hai. It's not one time, it happens so many times. And it's actually funny because there are 5 other people probably standing around. It's only that my wife is understanding and she understands that these are not naturally born. That she lets me go by that, and it happens so often that she realizes now that it's a professional hazard. But yes, it does get very embarrassing sometimes.
Chris, you know, you should
Vicky donor comes to mind, but it's okay, Rajesh.
I've been called that as well, yes.
It's so wonderful, you know, doctors. You know, for the last about nearly 1.5 hours, we've been engaging, we've been talking. And of course, you know, the fun side, the happy side, the joyous moments. I mean, with a lot of people, you know, who've been watching us, hearing us, the multifaceted, talented doctors, a big salute to all of y'all. Because even during these trying times, you are helping a lot of people out there. You know, I'm not saying with COVID, but of course, with ailments across, which is very, very important. And before we sign off today, I want each one of you all, you know, you know, give a message to everybody who's watching us on Facebook Live, who's interacting with us on Zoom. But remember, all people watching us, Facebook Live, we are being watched across the world by a lot of people. So, you know, from the doctor fraternity to everybody out there, a message from each one of you all. But before that, once again, from all of us, a big salute to the doctors and a big clap for the amazing job they are doing, and also an amazing, you know, attitude you all keep forward, because I think with this attitude, you'll give us all the energy. So doctors, I would request you to give a beautiful message to the world and to everybody watching us. Anyone can start off.
Well, I'll start. So, I think first of all, you know, thank you all for having us, and thoroughly enjoyable, and grateful to everyone who has found time to look at us from a different angle as well. The only message which I would like to get across is, well, we doctors are human beings with our fallibilities, trying to do our best. We can commit mistakes sometimes. Treat us like human beings who are fallible, not like God.
Thank you. Really appreciate it.
I can go next.
Yes, Rajivji.
So, you know, Jimmy, what I feel is all of us are running in our lives, in our professions, whatever businesses and so on and so forth. And right now, sitting at home, we're all worrying about what is going to happen to the business, what is going to happen to patients, what is going to happen to life, economic meltdown, and so on and so forth. I think the message that I would like to put out is in the form of a song. I'm not going to sing the song because it's going to take time. A very old song which goes like, Aane wala kal jaane wala hai, ho sake to isme zindagi bita do, pal jo ye jaane wala hai. I think we need to also slow down and say, let's enjoy this time that we have, because it's never going to come back. None of us ever imagined that we would be sitting at home for 1 month and not really, you know, trying to commit suicide or going mad. We never thought we would ever be able to do something like this. Spend time with your family, spend time with your parents, speak to them, play with them, learn a new hobby, do something new, because this time will not come back. We never want this time to come back, but even otherwise, it will not come back, even if we wish for it.
Thank you so much. And thank you so much, Rajiv. Anjanda, Dr. Anjan, please.
So I don't have any clever words, but first of all, I would like to thank you, Jimmy, and JC and entire team for organizing this. I hope our viewers enjoyed it, but I'm sure the doctors, all of us, me and our colleagues enjoyed doing something like this. This is the first time I am doing it, and I've enjoyed this a lot. I don't have any wise words for my patients or the viewers. I think Vinayda has summed it up very nicely. What most of us doctors feel, that we are not God. We are just professionals who are trained to do a particular type of job, which we all do to our best abilities, and judge us by our effort, not by the result.
Thank you so much. Sarfraz Bhai, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Your words to the world.
Yeah, so I'll say what I say for myself every morning. I'll share that with everybody. We are going through a crisis. It is something that our generation has never seen. And it is going to bring out some good in us, some bad in us. You can either respond to this by panic and fear, or you could respond to this by taking it positively. And I think it's a great time, like Rajiv said, to discover yourself. You can cultivate hobbies, improve yourself in various areas, examine your thoughts. and try to develop as a human being, spend more time with your family, spend more time within the house. And I think overall, if we can, all of us, make smaller changes during this time that we are staying inside, society as a whole will see a new world when we step out. And the entire idea is not to let this crisis go a waste, not to let the lives of so many people who have gone go a waste. We need to learn something from this experience. And the only experience is to go back there to a new world with more peace, more love, more compassion, and definitely trying to help each other. Less of hatred, less of consumerism, less of taxing this planet, less of consumption, overconsumption, and hoarding. So all in all, just be kind, be compassionate. Let's go back to a new world. It's going to be better.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Soikot, are you there?
Yeah, very much, yeah.
Your words, sir.
Okay, so, I've been treating cancer patients for so many years now. It's been 23 years. First in Bombay, in Tata Memorial, and now Kolkata. So all these years, I have seen people walking into my clinic whose lives were completely normal just 7 days ago. They were just normal. They were people. Today, he's a patient. 7 days ago, he was a person. He has a small indigestion or he has a small problem. He goes to the local doctor. He refers him for some tests and cancer gets picked up. And when that happens, so life turns completely upside down for the patient and for the family. So I've been seeing that for 23 years and that has left a deep impression on me. So I always tell everybody who's willing to listen that today is the most important day. Treat today as your only day and live today as you would like it is the best day and only day of your life. And that's what I tell people, that all these small things which all are so bothered about, these chuti-moti emotions, they're all so superficial. You will know when patient after patient walks into a chamber and you're seeing 30, 40 patients a day whose lives were completely normal 7 days back and now it's completely upside down. So I see that all the time, every day. And so the importance of today, I have come to realize so much. And I tell everybody, and I think in this present situation also, it is today, live today. Leave aside the small things, they don't matter. You're fine today, you're well today, your family is well today, that's good.
Thank you, Doctor. Yes, I think it's important, as I would always say, the storm is here, stay calm because the storm will pass. And life is never easy. It's how easy you make it. So I think it's important to be positive. It's important to look forward. It's important to be humane. And I think it's time we respect nature and we walk hand in hand rather than destroying it. And I'm sure in these trying times, there is a message out there which someone is trying to get to us that please, it's not too late. And I think together in time to come, as we say now, बूंद सब आके एक ocean बन जाते हैं, we shall overcome. With that, Papa, I would like to listen to your words.
Yeah, listen, in the morning, guys, doctors had called him in the morning. I called Jimmy up in the morning to ask him what is the plan for today. So he says, Baba, don't worry, I'll take it up. Last minute, don't worry. I got scared. I was panicking, literally panicking. I didn't know how to handle because I had planned nothing. The entire show came out impromptu. Thanks to you, Jimmy. You did a wonderful job.
Thank you for inviting me. Thanks.
You need to come on floor here now to do it. Teach us how to do this.
Yes. I think just be yourself. You'll rock, yeah. That's it. The doctors superbly rocked. Each one of them were exceptional. I think we should do more of this, more of engagement. But next time, it's going to be all the talent, all the DJing, all the singing, all the remixing. And Vinay, I'm going to get you to rap. I promise you that, yeah.
All right. Okay. It was such a wonderful sight seeing all of you laugh. Today, actually, I was so mesmerized. I didn't have words to say. I was just enjoying the entire show, the way it went. I saw all my favorite doctors laugh today. I think it's one of the best sights I've ever had. Thank you so much, doctors. Thank you so much.
Very much, you, Deepshika, everyone in the team.
Thank you.
Very, very grateful to you all.
Vikram there. Is Vikram there? I have a request. I have a hero to say a hello to the heroes here. Vikram. Brigadier Vikram Sharma, are you there? Brigadier Vikram Sharma, are you there? I requested him to join from Congo to say hello to all of you. I think he's not connected. Anyways, I had requested him to come on floor here, but he's not here. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you so much. And I'm once again apologizing for not being able to get the other doctors on board today because it would have been a little more difficult to manage. But we will continue this trend again next week. In the meanwhile, I would request all those who have attended today to join in again with the same link to have another session of talk show where we have the nutritionist. She's going to talk about nutrition. So please come back tomorrow. And there's a voice note coming from Vikram. He could not there, so I'm trying to play it. I can't hear. Just a minute, let me try. He's tried his best. Anyways, thank you so much. Doctors, you were wonderful. Anjan Saab, you were very good. Vinay Saab, you were very good. Dr. Rajiv, where did you disappear in the beginning? You were there very much.
My Wi-Fi threw me off. So in fact, I had to change computers and come back. Something went wrong with the computer.
I heard your wife threw you out.
Even I heard that. Even I heard that. Even I heard that.
Unbelievable.
Wi-Fi or wife?
But JC, very well done. Very well done for getting us all
JC,
together.
really fantastic.
And making us all smile and laugh and have fun. Thank you so much.
I have a message. I'm trying to play it. I'm trying to play it.
Thank you, JC.
I'm trying to play it.
Dr. Sarfraz, you got the answer of that one.
Which one? The Wi-Fi?
No. Baby and a sailor.
No, I haven't. I haven't given it a thought. But you can tell your answer now.
No, you ask other doctors. Let them try.
Okay, we'll get back to you.
It's simple. What's the difference between a baby and a sailor?
I said both drink, but they drink different things.
So baby oceans in the bed, and sailor makes his bed in the ocean.
Okay.
I think we have to let them go, Ravi, because thank you, Ravi. Thank you, Deepshika. Thank you, Kavita. Thank you, doctors. Thank you, all the doctors. Thank you, Jimmy.
Thanks, Jitin. Thank you very much.
Thank you, all of you, to come in. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We'll see you again.
Let's sign off. Have a beautiful weekend. Enjoy yourselves. Stay positive, and let's rock.
Bye, Sarfaraz da, Vinay da.
Bye, everyone, guys.
Bye. Thank you, everybody.
Bye, thank you.
Bye.
Bye, Sarfaraz bhai.
Bye, Rajiv. Bye, Sarfaraz. Brilliant. Thank you.
Brilliant. Bye.
Bye, Ravi. Bye, Hemant. Bye, Manoj.
Take care. Leaving.